Hi friends, this video shows how to pay electricity bill using Amazon Pay. First let me open this Amazon app. Tap on this icon. Tap on this menu icon over here. Tap on Amazon Pay. Tap here. Here you can see bills and recharges. Tap on this icon. Then tap on add or manage biller. Tap here. Tap on add new biller. Tap on electricity. Tap here. Then in this form we have to enter biller name. In my case this is Besco. Enter biller name here. Here you can enter customer ID or account ID. Then tap on save and continue. This way we can add biller. Next I will show you how we can pay bill. Again go to Amazon homepage. Then tap on this menu icon. Tap on Amazon Pay. Tap on bills and recharges. Then go down. Here you can see pay bills. In this section set electricity. Here you can see upcoming payment. See. If you want to pay the bill, you can tap here. Then tap on pay now. And here you can select how you want to pay. Using Amazon Pay balance or Amazon ICICI Bank credit card or UPI. Then tap on pay. So this way we can pay electricity bill. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.